Cinque Terre, located on the picturesque coast of Italy, is a spectacular destination that attracts tourists from all over the world. Known for its stunning scenery and charming villages, Cinque Terre has become a popular choice for travelers seeking an authentic Italian experience. The name Cinque Terre translates as five lands, referring to the five colorful fishing villages that make up the region: Monterosso al Mare, Vernazza, Corniglia, Manarola and Riomaggiore. Each village offers its own unique charm and character: narrow cobbled streets, houses clinging to cliffs, and panoramic views of the Mediterranean Sea. When planning a visit to the Cinque Terre, it is important to remember that the area is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and is subject to certain restrictions aimed at preserving its unique environment. It is recommended that you check for any travel advisories or restrictions before traveling. Overall, Cinque Terre offers a combination of natural beauty, rich history, and warm hospitality, making it an unforgettable destination for travelers in Italy. Whether you're exploring the spectacular scenery or enjoying the local cuisine, a visit to the Cinque Terre promises memories that will last a lifetime.